A balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and low performance. Children who don't get enough healthy foods may face growth and developmental problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infections. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Sharmila binti Shafi'i from RSR 2433B. So today I would like to talk to you and to tell you on the topic of balanced diet that I have done my research based on valid source. By the way, I'm hoping that you guys are in a great condition today. So the subtopics that we will discuss for today is the importance of balanced diets, how to have a balanced diet, and benefits of eating healthy. So for the first subtopic is the importance of balanced diet. Most people believe that a balanced diet is definitely the key to a healthy lifestyle. It is rightly believed, as even scientists say so. When we always consume a balanced diet, we will maintain our physical as well as our mental health. A balanced diet must contain the proper foods that are consumed in an accurate quantities. A perfect balanced diet is composed of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, mineral, high fiber content, vitamins, and more. Moreover, nowadays the trend of junk food is here to stay. People are not taking a balanced diet, rather eating all sorts of harmful foods. It is more important than ever to tell people about the importance of balanced diet. You cannot merely exercise and expect your body to stay fit. A balanced diet is crucial for that. Most importantly, it is called a balanced diet because it requires all the foods to be eaten in a balanced manner. For instance, if you take a large amount of carbohydrates and a little amount of protein, then that will not be called as a balanced diet, even if you are eating the right foods. The balance need to be maintained for that. How to have a balanced diet? One can always adopt a healthy lifestyle by starting to consume a balanced diet. Firstly, one must definitely increase the amount of liquid to consume in a day. Fluids are very important for the human body to function healthily. As almost 80% of our body is filled with water, we need it for good metabolism. Start with drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Moreover, try to cutting down on the consumption of tea, coffee, and alcohol. Furthermore, one must always eat fresh vegetables and fruits, as fresh fruits and vegetables are good sources of fiber and vitamins. We must consume them for good body growth. The balanced diet must have 5 essentials, which are bitter, sour, sweet, pungent, and salty. And the last important part is you need to always chew your food patiently. Do not just swallow it after chewing the food for 4 until 5 times. This way your food won't get digested properly. Savor the food slowly and steadily. The benefits of eating healthy is the first one is weight loss. One of the main reasons people eat healthy is to maintain a healthy weight or to lose weight. A healthy weight has a plethora of benefits on its own. Second is heart health. Even if you are young, you should think about your heart health, especially considering that as many of 92.1 million people in United States have some type of cardiovascular disease. Healthy eating habits can improve your heart health and prevent heart disease. The third one is strong bones and teeth. If you pay a close attention, you might notice that a lot of elderly individuals use dentures in order to eat or to talk properly. A healthy diet can help individuals to make sure that they have a strong bones and teeth now and in the future, and to prevent the teeth decay and osteoporosis. The fourth one is better mood and energy levels. You are what you eat. If you eat a healthy, balanced diet, you will feel better and more energized. Furthermore, if you eat properly, then it means your body is getting all of the nutrients it needs to function properly, which will improve your energy levels. Avoid sugary foods and drinks to prevent sugar high and crashes. And the last one is to improve your memory and brain health. Eating healthy increase the blood flow to the brain, which help prevent brain diseases like Alzheimer, dementia, and cognitive decline. So based on the statistic, as you can see from the slide, 21% of parents limit the fast food, 21% of parents limit the junk food, 19% learn to eat different foods, 16% limit the sugary drinks, and the last one, 13% eat fruits and vegetables every day. So based on the topic that I have discussed just now, I can say that you are what you eat. You need to eat healthy food to stay healthy, to stay fit. I think this video has come to an end. Thank you and goodbye everyone.